how do we invest in a volatile market? There are times wherein we know we have a heads up that a recession is going to come. We have a heads up that the economic crisis is going to hit. We have a heads up because the interest rates are rising. We know that the stock markets aren't going to do that well. So in such kind of conditions, when we are aware about this kind of pointers, how do we approach investing is what I want to talk to you about. So the way I look at it is, when there's an economic crisis or when there's a recession, almost on the sidelines trying to hit the economy. So we would want to invest into those industries which are recession proof. And the best way to look at recession proof companies is to look into your own house, see what you're consuming on a day-to-day basis. You wouldn't want to miss out on such companies which are recession proof to be part of your portfolio, isn't it? And when I talk about recession proof companies, they are the same set of companies which almost on a daily basis people wouldn't miss to use its products. For example, when you talk about brushing your teeth in the morning, you would use maybe Colgate, or you would maybe use Dabur, or you may use any other like Pepsodent. If you find out from the back of the toothpaste tube, you would know the name of that particular company which you're using at home. And you could be invested into all these companies which are actually selling toothpaste. Like for example, Red is by Dabur, Colgate is by Colgate, obviously. Colgate totally have so many brands of Colgate. Then you have Pepsodent. Then you have like these brands from Procter and Gamble, and then you have brands from Hindustan Unilever. And if you combine all these four companies, you have a major stake into toothpaste, which is evergreen, right? You wouldn't stop brushing your teeth. Would you stop washing your clothes? You would always use either Surf Excel or Ariel, either Hindustan Unilever, or it would be Procter and Gamble. These are indicative companies, not for you to buy or sell. Buy or sell decision is based on the valuation of the company. So please contact your financial advisor or your closest financial mentor so that he can guide you how to evaluate stocks and then invest. But I'm just sharing from a knowledge perspective the kind of industries which are recession proof, which I mostly try to keep invested as a majority of my portfolio. So these are some of the companies. Then you would also have, you would not stop sending your kids to school. Your kids would wear those footwear. Your kids would always buy the stationery. You can have a look who is selling those kind of stationery. Now the popular stationeries are like Classmate, you have Yuva. You can find out what are the companies which actually produce this particular stationery products. Then you can look into, like the chemicals. The chemicals are non-stop, right? For example, people will not stop going to the medical. They won't stop going to hospital when they are ill. They would need to be treated. So they will be buying medicines. So this is the other segment which you need to be invested into your portfolio, so that you have a portion of your portfolio which is actually recession proof, and the next set of portfolio which can be growth oriented. But you need to have a portfolio sizable enough in the recession proof companies, especially when you're hearing about this company which are not companies, especially when you're hearing about an economy going to be doomsday or going to fall into a crisis. So this is what I want to share with you in this particular video, the way you could be invested in a volatile or an economic situation which is about to hit the economy. That's all, my friends. Hope you liked the video. In case you have liked it, please hit the subscribe button so I can reach out to a lot of people, a lot of working professionals, to gain significantly from the knowledge which I have acquired in the past 10 years. See you. Bye.